Alright, it's Vex, and today we have an issue with our condensate line from our AC overflowing. I know here you don't see a shut-off valve because I don't know I bought this house and previous started installed float valve, but I'll get one. Anyways, our condensate line is leaking, and it's clogged somewhere down the drain. So let's see my quick ways to fix this issue. As you can see, if you look closely here, I have two ACs. One here, which is working fine, has a line right there, no problems at all. I have another AC right here. So this right here goes out this line, through this line. So let's go through this condensate line here, but I have a bypass. I saw a union right there. It goes here. This is my temporary solution right here. Goes out and drains right into that bucket right there for now, because the line is clogged. Because I don't have that float switch I really need to do. It'll just overflow right here and just leak out the bottom of the AC. All right, so what I've done is I've actually jerry-rigged right here. As you see, I had the union joint I was talking about earlier. I have the other half of the union joint here. Lost the don't lose this gasket right here. Other side of the union joint, have a little extension piece, and this hooks up right to a hose. It's like a hose hookup right here. So I was taking the end of my hose. I have this one shut-off valve, so I can control it right there here instead of running back and forth to the outside. So let's hook this right up here to my hose. So what we want to do is get hose pressure on that, so cause a little bit of pressure. You don't want to turn it all the way. You can turn it slowly. Right, fish. I keep losing this gasket, but don't lose the gasket here. I'll see if you can get an angle here. I'm gonna hook this up. My AC is still running, so I'm hooking this up to the bottom right here. I recommend everybody to add a union to their AC system so you can get to it easily. Then you add this little rig hose system in it. Right there, I've actually turned my hose off so I don't get splashed everywhere, just in case I accidentally hit this thing. What I want to do is get this tight real good. It doesn't have to be super humid tight right there. So see, it's hooked up to the hose right here, see? Right there. Hooked up the hose, hooked up to the inlet. I'm gonna keep the pressure on. I'm gonna go turn on the hose, we'll be right back. All right, so I turned on the hose, but again, this is shut off right here. So you just slowly, very slowly turn it on. Let a little bit of water through. So you hear a little water through. Then we're gonna run out and check our line at the end. I wouldn't do it on full blast right away, I do it really slowly. All right. You let the hose run a little while, you see that? It's right there, it's leaking out slowly. Now we need to up the pressure, get the heavy gunk out. Okay, we're back in the garage here. We're gonna increase the pressure just a little bit. I wouldn't increase it all the way. You know, it's not on super tight, that's fine. It doesn't have to be on super tight here. Right there, you can see, right there, it's coming out full pressure. So you see how it's like stopping and going? Yeah, so it's trying to swallow a little air right there. Right there, now it's going full flow. So now it's working really good. Now we're gonna get the gunk out. We're gonna turn on full pressure. Again, we're back here. Now we're gonna see it spew out right there. Bam, look at that. Now it's clean right there. Look at that clear water coming out. It's perfect. All right, since it's going full pressure, we're just gonna turn this off right here. I know I didn't screw this in all the way, it's leaking a little bit. It's fine though, just wipe it off from the floor. No big issue. Anyways, that's the way I unclog my drain. Vacuuming does a little job. You know, I wouldn't even do vacuuming. I just do this, push it straight out, clear the pipes, get all that gunk out, and it works perfectly. As you can see right there, the water is now dripping nice and steady. No more clog there. Usually when it's like, I guess, more humid outside, it drips a little faster, but that's what you want, a nice steady drip. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for be alerted. Again, this is Vex from Vex DIY. Have a wonderful day.